Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Cole Elementary School in Clovis, California, home of the Bulldogs, and just got done sharing my heart for a fourth time, getting to visit their campus. And it was such an honor to be back to talk about another very important topic. And we focused on leadership today. We also had the sub-theme of passion to purpose, right? So the things that we love to do, the things that we're great at, right? Our skills, our talents, our abilities. Even at a young age, we can start to get the wheels turning to hopefully use those inner strengths to go and help others, and that becomes our purpose. And I wear this shirt for this particular program. It's a multicolored peace sign. My friend and I designed it a few years ago, but there's different colors inside the peace sign because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us are more vocal leaders like myself. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet strength type leaders. We lead by our example through our actions. There's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this planet. And the students really got that, right? They really did take it to heart, knowing that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. And even being a young person, they have the opportunities each and every day, to be those friends to others around them, to support their fellow classmates, to do things that are gonna last even beyond them. And that ties into our legacy, right? What you want to be remembered for. Hopefully it's like somebody's helping hands, as well as a bowling ball. We talked about that example, someone that has strong character, strong values that reflect, what they preach here at Cole, and to know that we always have the courage to stand up for what's right and to do what's right. Whether somebody's watching or not, we always have this choice to keep doing things because they're heavy on our heart, right? We don't always do them for the trophy or the accolades or the plaques on the wall. We're doing this because we have the right reasons, in here. And we also know that this is in the shape of a heart too, where our passion starts. And if we can really focus on that fire, the things that make us come alive, that bring us that life, right? We go after that, we pursue that, and we start to utilize, these abilities, even in elementary school, to go and make a huge impact on this earth. And it's always refreshing to me to see a lot of the head nods, a lot of the pin drop moments where the students really did take the message to heart and understand, what we're trying to accomplish here. That we put people first, things second, that we look at the priorities in our life and what really matters. And we know that we have to protect our goals, dreams, our passions for sure. But we also have to think about what we're doing for others. It's not just about us, right? It's what are we doing for the people in our lives, right? To make our world a better place, to make this community a brighter place. So again, just a beautiful morning back here at Cole. And I always love coming, because the students again and again, year after year, keep hearing a different message, but similar on a new topic. But, all of this boils down to what we want to leave, like the imprint that we want to leave, here on this earth, long after we're gone. And if we can start planting those seeds as leaders that this world desperately needs, then that's huge, right? So again, just an amazing time here at Cole. Also, the concept I always bring up in all my assemblies, and something we have to remember as leaders, right, is the fact that we're all true miracles, right? I always trace one of the M's on my hands. We all have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects. So that M stands for miracle, upside down. W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, right, as leaders, we can go help others hopefully buy into this too, right, and be the light to their heart if we choose to. So thank you for letting me share my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.